Hey guys, so today we will be unboxing one of Revel's newest collections that should be coming out. I have no clue what this is. I got this sent to me. Today is currently October 22nd. So I'm super excited to see what's inside. So let's get into this. OMG. This is amazing. It's like this wooden box. Oh my gosh. I need to take this baby out. Just pulled the Susie on you guys, no big deal. Alrighty, so inside came the usual pamphlet and then my little thing. I won't show my address, obviously. So now to get to the package. Okay, I have to make sure I'm in frame so that you guys can get a nice. Oh my goodness, this packaging is amazing. Holy Jesus. And you get a little sticker. I got some chocolate coins. Look at these colors. Sapphire. These are all stones. No way. So these are all stones. I'm gonna close this up. And we're gonna go through all the different colors.